In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit quantity on Shopify tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cap how many units a customer can add to their cart for a specific product, which is great for preventing bulk buying, keeping launches fair, or managing limited stock. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the home dashboard, head to the left-hand menu and open Products. Find and open the product you want to control. This takes you to the product editor, where you'll make the change. Scroll to the section that includes pricing and inventory controls. Here, look for a setting labeled something like maximum quantity per order or purchase limits. Depending on your theme and admin layout, this may be within a collapsible area near pricing or inventory. If you see an expand arrow, click it to reveal more options. Click into the quantity limit field and enter the maximum number you want to allow per order. Common choices are 1 for strict drops or a small number like 2 or 3. When you've set the number, click Save in the top right corner to apply your change. Next, preview the product on your storefront to make sure everything behaves the way you expect. Click Preview from the product page in the admin. In the Storefront tab that opens, try increasing the quantity in the selector and adding the product to the cart. If the limit is enforced at the product page, the selector won't go above your maximum. If it's enforced at the cart or checkout, you'll see a notice there when attempting to exceed the limit. Keep your admin tab open so you can quickly make edits if needed. If you decide you want a different cap, go back to the admin tab, click into the same quantity limit field, adjust the number, and click Save again. For stores selling in multiple markets or channels, use the View as Control in the product editor to simulate a specific market, then click Preview once more. This helps confirm the limit is consistent across customer locations and sales channels. A few tips as you test. If you don't see a purchase limit setting in your product editor, first expand all sections in pricing and inventory. Some older themes or custom setups may enforce limits at cart or checkout rather than the product page. After changes, refresh your preview or test in a private window to avoid caching. If your product has variants, set the limit for each variant as needed, and remember to save each time. That's it, your product now has a clear per-order quantity cap.